My name is Ben McLeod. I am 40 years old and I'm taking the full 12-week course. Well, there's a church being built right across the street from my apartment and seeing all the equipment, and I've been thinking about it for quite a while, so I started looking into it and I found IHE. No, I'm brand new to all this type of work. Yeah. Oh, it's been really great. I learn something new every single day. The instructors are really on top of the ball. They know what they're talking about and they're willing to help with anything, really. I hope to find work as soon as possible, and to be honest, I'll take anything out of the gate and work my way up the ranks from there. My favorite machine, by far, I'd have to say, is the one behind us, the excavator. I really enjoy all my time in there. Time flies whenever I'm in that seat, so awesome. Yeah. I just like how intricate it is and how you have to be moving so many things all at once and keep all that in mind, and just the finer detail of it and that kind of thing. Just keep your head in the game, focus on what you're doing. Like the instructors say to us from time to time, just do your best work. Take your time doing it and make sure it's good. Build the good habits first and then work on your speed and efficiency afterwards. Just a great big thank you for just being so inviting and open about it and being understanding that we're all learning. Most of us, it's brand new for us, right? So, you know, and just sharing their knowledge with us, you know, just, yeah, it's just all around an excellent time.